My name is Kim-Wai Chung. I've been in the film industry for 38 years, working mainly on set and prop construction. Set props are seriously important in movies. A well-built scene pulls the audience right into the story. So in every project, I want the props and sets to feel solid and real. I started around late 1986 or early 1987. I was pretty lucky. I met Mr. Samuel Han back then, and that's how I got into films. In 1991, I came from Hong Kong to the mainland for a film. New Dragon Gate Inn was the first. After that, I just kept going. Looking back, I've probably worked on over 100 movies. I've seen the whole industry change, from the time when everything was handmade to now, where we use more and more industrial manufacturing. Like this model here, we used it in The Wandering Earth 2. It's a J-20 fighter jet cockpit. When we built it, we thought a lot about how to break it into separate parts so the director could shoot more freely. For example, if we remove this section, we can get a tight shot, close enough to see an actor's hand pushing a button. When we shoot from the side, this part can also come off. It makes everything very, very convenient. Back in the day, we shot a lot of period films. When I was building props and sets then, I often felt some things didn't look authentic enough. Luckily, because of filming, I traveled to a lot of places for research, like Huangshan, Huizhou. I studied how old houses were built, and sometimes I collected old pieces. Some of those beams had been there for over 100 years, exposed to sun and rain, even insect damage. In a few more years, they might have just fallen apart. Now, with China's industry getting stronger, we have technologies like 3D printing and laser scanning. I use that equipment to scan these old architectural parts and turn them into digital backups, a way to preserve them. What I really hope is that more young people with knowledge and skills join this field. Right now, it's still mostly older folks like me. You really don't see many people in their 20s or 30s around. I'd be more than happy to teach what I know. I hope they can come to love film the way I do and do their part for Chinese cinema. 电影工业做一点贡献。